Normally, the brain controls and coordinates all functions of the body through its organs and glands. The functions range from the healing cycle after an injury, hormonal balance, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, heart rate, body temperature, metabolism, and even going to sleep and waking up. In this demonstration, you can see the brain's signals being sent to a gland called the adrenal. The adrenal gland, once receiving these messages, then sends back a reply communication giving the brain information. The brain needs this constant feedback as to what's happening in the body, so it knows how to adapt. The purpose of this whole mechanism is to make up adjustments to the outside environment to help you survive better. For example, walking upstairs will cause the brain to increase blood pressure to adapt to the extra stress. One function of the adrenal gland is to ensure inflammation is being eliminated after an injury or infection. In other words, through constant feedback back and forth, the brain signals the adrenal to either increase or decrease inflammation in the body. The adrenal messages are anti-inflammatory as they rid inflammation and pain. This electrical energy also flows between the acupressure points and the organs and glands. Small electrical fields exist around these points. As long as these delicate connections are flowing back and forth between the brain and body, everything is healthy and working. However, if the loss of connection between any of these communication wires breaks down, body errors and mistakes can occur. Inflammation or pain can get stuck in the body and go on too long. Normal healing is prevented. This loss of communication causes inappropriate body responses. We call these symptoms. Symptoms are warning signs. Symptoms that develop into chronic conditions are not normal. Chronic means long-lasting. Chronic symptoms always involve some breakdown in this communication control system. The brain is not able to do its job properly because of interference. Since acupressure points are small spots on the surface of the skin which link to internal organs and glands, an electrically weak organ or gland can affect the energy resistance over these points. These points act as fuses which get blown when the body circuits get overloaded. The power supply from the organ is now less, creating a dead spot on the surface of the skin. In your house, an excessive surge of energy can break or blow a circuit, turning the lights out. A body circuit is a continuous circle of communication between brain and organs, which can get broken or blown from excess stress. These acupressure points can be tested to find where these electrical weak areas exist. The body restoration technique is a method of restoring normal energy flows through these delicate body circuits using a specialized form of acupressure stimulation. Through the triggering of various points around the body, connections can be reestablished and restored, helping the body back into its balanced state. Balanced state, meaning the brain's ability to adapt and be in full coordination between the outside environment and the internal organ systems with no interferences. The body can self-correct only if the correct blockage is located and removed.